Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is July the 21st, 2022, and what we're going to demonstrate is how to basically propagate your pineapples just by using the tops, these pineapple tops. All you do is you grab this and you twist it off. So you just take the pineapple like this, grab this, and you just twist it. It's that easy. See? And it comes off just like that. And you take that piece and you place it in the jar with water. Not very difficult. You could use cups as I've used here. That's a very small pineapple top versus the regular size. So you could either use a cup. Now let's go take a look at the actual pineapple patch. What I'm interested in showing you here is that there are lots of pups that sit on the stalk from which the pineapple came. So you see that? You see all those pups? We're gonna snag all 3 of them. So let's go ahead and just snag them. You just kind of break them off. See that? I just broke it off. They come right off. Very easy. You want to watch. Most pineapple plants have a lot of thorns on the leaf edges, so look out for those. So yeah, we're in here just picking off these pups. Sometimes there's a lot of them. Sometimes there's maybe one, just like this one. Sometimes there's none. Here's another. We got lots of different pups. So we only pick the pups, at least I only pick the pups, off of the harvested stalks. So if I've harvested pineapples from the stalks already, then that's where I'm picking the pups from. Some of the other pineapples have no pups. And then we'll just put these guys in water as well. As you can see here, no pups there. No pups on that one, right there. So you're not always going to get pups. But when you do, you want to take advantage of the opportunity to propagate your pineapples and increase the size of your pineapple patch. So we'll just take these here and put them in some water inside of a cup. Now you can put, because they're so small, you can put like maybe 3 of them to a cup. I'll show you. Just like that. We've got 3 of them in 1 cup. But what we're trying to do is provoke root growth. And the best way to do that is with water. So otherwise you could place these in the ground right now, but it's going to take like a year before they establish roots. So all we're doing is expediting that process of the natural establishment of roots. Because I guarantee you, if you put these in the ground and you don't water them every single day, you're going to have issues with these producing. And then if you do water them every day and you're watering the whole patch every day, well, then you're going to have issues with the patch rotting out. So the best way to propagate pineapples, in my opinion, is to kick them off with a water starter first. And then once they've established roots, then you put them in the pineapple patch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of this pineapple propagation setup. Have a good day.